Hey guys, now we're going to look at some linear system word problems. The first thing that you need to do is read through the problem and figure out which two things that you are comparing. Well, if you read the last sentence, it says, what is the cost per gallon of each type of gasoline? So we are comparing two types of gasoline. We have premium gasoline and we have regular gasoline. So our first step is to define our variables. I went ahead and defined X as my regular gasoline and Y as my premium gasoline. Our next step is to write our two equations. If I read through this sentence, the first sentence, the cost of 14 gallons of regular gasoline and 10 gallons of premium gasoline is $46.68. That's going to be our first equation. Okay, I highlighted 14 gallons goes with regular gasoline. Well, regular gasoline is the variable X, therefore 14 is going to go with our X. And, so that means plus, 10 gallons of our premium gasoline, which premium gasoline is the letter Y, so 10 will go with our variable Y. Okay, the keywords is means equals, so go ahead and write an equal sign. And it's equal to 46.68. There's our first equation. Okay, our next sentence says premium cost, and premium cost is represented by our letter, our variable Y. So we'll go ahead and put Y equals 30 cents more, so 30 cents more than means plus, per gallon than the regular. Well, we have regular defined as the letter X, so it would be 30 cents plus X. Now we have our two equations. We can put them in the calculator. We can use our menu 3-2 to solve for the system of equations. Okay, now that you are on a calculate screen, you're going to press menu 3-2. Go ahead and press OK. In the first box, you're going to put in your first equation, 14x plus 10y equals 46.68. In your second box, go ahead and put in your second equation, y equals 0.30 plus x, and press enter. So if you look at your solution, it's 1.82, 2.12. And if you look back at your variable declarations, X was regular gasoline. So that means that regular gasoline was $1.82, and Y was our premium gasoline. So premium gasoline was $2.12.